Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the steps to buy your first car in Jamaica. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Buying a car for the first time can seem daunting, but trust me, it's not as hard as it seems. Let's dive into some essential tips. First things first, you need to get your driver's license. Some people might think this is obvious, but it's crucial. You can get insurance as soon as your license is 3 months old, but waiting until it's a year old can significantly reduce your insurance premium. Next up, have a budget. You need to save and plan how much you intend to spend on the vehicle. Remember, there are costs outside of the loan itself. Some financiers may bundle the first insurance, license, and fitness costs into one, but others don't. So, be prepared to cover deposits based on the car's year and value, insurance fees, and license costs. Now decide on the vehicle you want. Consider your budget and what you'll use the vehicle for. Do you need a car, an SUV, or a pickup? Narrowing down the type will help you choose the brand and model that meets your needs. Choose your financing carefully. Depending on the financier and the vehicle's year, you might get 100% financing and even combine auto loan and insurance payments into one. Shop around for the best interest rate and overall offer based on your needs. You'll need some documents to start the auto loan process. These typically include a valid ID, taxpayer registration number, birth certificate, proof of employment or income verification form, last 3 payslips, proof of address, a pro forma invoice from the car dealership, proof of deposit if applicable, a motor vehicle valuation report, and a copy of the vehicle fitness certificate. Be aware of some additional costs. A credit check is a critical step and usually comes with a cost to you. It determines your loan eligibility and the maximum amount you can receive. Also, processing fees and legal fees vary across institutions, so be prepared for those as well. If you're prepared and follow these steps, buying your first car will be a smooth ride. Happy car hunting and drive safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something today. See you in the next video.